Well, hello there, and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be sharing with you WordPress themes for news sites. Let's get started. Newspaper, news, and WooCommerce WordPress theme. Newspaper is a WordPress theme that lets you write articles and blog posts with ease. Create a great news website with our newspaper WordPress template. This bestseller theme is perfect for blogging and excellent for e-commerce, shop, store, WooCommerce, news, newspaper, magazine, publishing, or review websites. It supports videos from YouTube, MP and mobile ready, RTL and multi-language support, GDPR compliant. The theme is fast, simple, and easy to use for cryptocurrency, fashion, food, lifestyle, modern, personality, travel, luxury, viral, minimalistic projects, web development, and more websites. Integrated with Instagram, BBPress Forum, BuddyPress, and WooCommerce. It uses the best clean SEO practices. Newspaper supports responsive Google Ads and AdSense. Starting with Newspaper Theme 9.5 update, there is a new way to customize your header right to the front with the Website Manager. Design, customize, and explore amazing new options to stand out from the crowd. Some of the amazing features that you can brag about with this theme include simple post table and content shortcode, added switch to customizer, exclude terms of blocks, post from submit shortcode, and of course, custom label option is available. When you're thinking about that news website, then think newspaper, news, and WooCommerce WordPress theme. Newzin, WordPress, newspaper, and magazine theme. Newzin is a WordPress theme perfect for news, magazine, blog, and all kinds of publishing websites. Responsive based on Bootstrap. All files and codes have been well organized and nicely commented for easy customization. The theme comes with Elementor Page Builder, which is a popular website builder for WordPress that allows users to create and customize their websites using drag and drop interface with a live visual editor without coding skills. The theme comes with a header builder that allows users to create and customize the header sections of a website using the Elementor Page Builder. The theme is compatible with WooCommerce plugin. This ensures that all page layouts are supported to include the shop, single product, archive, cart, custom checkout, among many others. The shopping cart also provides product reviews and ratings, which also has an integrated product zoom and lightbox, production variation and attributes, and not to forget, product upsells and cross-sells. Among other sassy features that the Newzin WordPress newspaper magazine theme brags about include mega menu, sticky navigation, light weather updates, user commenting, social media integration, social functionality, auto bios, newsletter sign up, and many more. Newzin will definitely prove to be the best when you're setting up your news website using WordPress. Newsmag, newspaper and magazine WordPress theme. Newsmag is a modern WordPress theme that lets you write articles and blog posts with ease. The Newsmag template is excellent for personal blog, news, newspaper, magazine, publishing, or review sites. It also supports videos from YouTube and features a rating system. It uses the best clean SEO practices, and on top of that, it is fast, simple, and easy to use. Newsmag supports responsive Google Ads and AdSense, building your WordPress website without any coding skills. It doesn't stop there. Newsmag is an amazing news WordPress theme with around 16,000 customers and 5 stars rating, over 1,200 website owners who have used this Newsmag website. It means you'll never go wrong when you're using Newsmag as your WordPress theme for your website. Newsmag is powered by one of the easiest to use and flexible front-end page builder. the Tag Div Composer plugin. All the options you'll ever need, ready to give all the power you need to make your dream come true. This theme is designed to be simple, easy to use, and loads fast. Newsmag theme is packed with powerful features that will help you start your website in minutes, make it successful. So what makes it a must-have for many people? The Newsmag theme is a tool you'll need to build a website on WordPress. The users agree that it's easy to use, versatile, and allows them to quickly create unique sites. So when you're thinking about that news website, the Newsmag WordPress theme comes in handy. Foxiz WordPress newspaper news magazine. Perfect for news magazine, blog technology, fashion, beauty, gadgets, phone, hardware, art creativity, among many others. This theme supports Elementor, dark mode, AMP, RTL, multi-language, paywall membership, GDPR compliant, SEO friendly with schema structure for organizational site and links, among many others. The team has lots of positive feedback from different buyers in the marketplace, and that provides their commitment to providing the best support and solving almost every issue within 24 hours. The theme is compatible and optimized to work with Elementor, Contact Form 7, Super Cache, RankMath, W3 Total Cache, SEO, Yoast, All-in-One SEO, WordPress Optimizer, Auto Optimize, and many other WordPress popular plugins. Among other SaaS features that the Fox's WordPress newspaper and magazine WordPress brags about include one-click installation using the demo content that has been provided. It is fully responsive and mobile ready, SEO optimized, ready core web vitals, superior performance and well-coded, and optimized image sizes. Fox's WordPress newspaper and magazine WordPress theme is the theme to go for when you're setting your news magazine website. GoodLife magazine and newspaper WordPress theme. GoodLife is now the fastest and most SEO friendly newspaper and magazine theme on the planet. It is AMP and mobile ready, GDPR compliant, fast, simple, and easy to use for a list of projects and more. With the latest updates, the team has added 3 new demos so to make your magazine user interface look amazing for your clients. Some of the amazing features that come with a GoodLife responsive magazine WordPress theme include Visual Composer, Essential Grid, Maintenance Pro, Viral Quiz Builder, among many others. So don't be left out when everyone else is creating their newspaper website. Use GoodLife magazine and newspaper WordPress theme. Well, thanks for being part of this nugget. And if you liked this video, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next nugget.